Okay, so we have these bullets to start with integer chapter. Okay, first is to identify integer. We can identify integer as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till infinite, then -1, -2, -3, -4 till infinite. We can plot this on a number line as I discussed here. Okay, we can also perform addition and subtraction operation using number line, which I explained you here. 1 plus 1 is 2, right? Similarly here, 3 minus 5 is -2. I have explained you here. Now let me explain you few more numbers. Okay, so that let me plot this line. So this is my line. I will not going to call this as number line until I am placing or marking the numbers here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like that it will going to go till plus infinite. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. Here it will be -11, -12, -13, -14, -15. Like that it will go till minus infinite. Okay, so let's have one more bit complex or much bigger number. So let me have say 6 plus 5. So what is the first step? First step is first jump to 6 directly from 0 to 6. First jump directly. So you will going to identify it. 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? You have jumped here at this 5. Now after 6 you have plus 5. So again you will going to jump, but here you will not going to jump. Now you will going to follow what? One small jump you will do. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this number? This number is 11. So 11 is the answer. Okay, let me explain you one more with a subtraction. Okay, so let me have say 15. Okay, 15 minus 22. Okay, so first step is what? Directly jump to 15. So I will going to jump directly from 0 to 15. This is what is the 15. Okay, this is what is the 15. Then after 15 what it is minus 22. So I have to come backside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So this will be my answer. Okay, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is my -7. So -7 will be the answer. Understood this much?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have seen how to identify the integer, to plot the integer on a number line, to add and subtract integer using number line, to use the number line to represent addition and subtraction of integer. Now the last bullet is to place the integers in ascending and descending order. Okay, so if I have a number, say I have a number 14 minus 2, 100, 145, then 1, 1010, then minus 18, then 101, then say 130. Okay, you need to arrange this in ascending order or descending order. What is the best practice you should follow? Always draw the number line. Okay, this is the best way. Then you can plot the
Smaller to bigger number.
yes, smaller to bigger number, right? So we have to arrange this as this: 18 less than -2, less than 10, less than 14, less than 100, less than 101, less than 130, less than 145. This is what is called ascending order. Okay. Now descending order will be what? Exactly
One.
reverse. It will be 145 greater than 130 greater than 101 greater than 100 greater than 14 greater than 10 greater than -2 and greater than -18.
Minus.
Correct. Okay. Now one more thing I want to explain you. Say I have this number line. Now on this number line I will going to have many numbers. Okay, many numbers I will going to have. Everywhere you can write like this. Everywhere you can write what? Less than sign. What does that indicate? Say for example here you have minus 18, and say here you have -10. So -18 is less than -10. Similarly here say you have -5, and say here you have -1. So here you can write -5 is less than -1. Okay. Similarly here this is say -4, and this is say -2. So you can write -4 is less than -2. Same way over here, this is 0, and say this is 2. So 0 is less than 2, you can write. Similarly here, say this is 5, and say this is 10. So you can write 5 is less than 10. Similarly here, say this is 8, and say this is 4. So here you can write 4 is less than 8. Understood? This
Yes.
is very easy.